What makes the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro special? Well, let's start with the fact that Redmi's Turbo lineup is finally evolving into something truly remarkable. And the Turbo 4 Pro is the boldest declaration yet from Xiaomi, offering a flagship-grade experience at a price that won't empty your wallet. And while flashy marketing campaigns and a magical Harry Potter collaboration might catch your eye, there's real innovation under the hood that makes this phone worth your attention. So what exactly makes this device stand out? First up, the design is a serious level up from what we typically expect at this price point. Redmi has completely ditched plastic in favor of a CNC machined aerospace-grade aluminum alloy middle frame, giving the device not only a premium in-hand feel, but also impressive structural integrity. And here's the kicker. The Turbo 4 Pro boasts bending resistance of up to 70 kilograms, meaning a Redmi executive literally stood on the phone without leaving a scratch. Now that's durability you can trust. Moving to the back, the frosted matte glass finish isn't just about looks. It's been polished down to a fine 700 nanometers texture, giving it the silky smooth feel and visual appeal of a high-end flagship. And thanks to its ultra-narrow bezels measuring just 1.5 millimeters on three sides and 1.9 millimeters on the chin, combined with the elegant 12.4 millimeters R-corner curvature, the Turbo 4 Pro looks modern, sleek, and genuinely premium from every angle. And in an era where most budget phones cut corners on aesthetics, this one clearly refuses to compromise. Whether you're gaming, binge-watching, or just admiring its craftsmanship, the Turbo 4 Pro delivers a visual and tactile experience that feels far above its category. And we haven't even touched on performance yet, because this device is more than just a pretty face. It's a powerhouse under the hood as well, designed for users who demand both style and substance. And when a brand goes the extra mile to ensure the device can survive real-world stress tests like being stood on, it's a clear sign they've built something they're genuinely proud of. So yes, beyond the branding and the collaborations, the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro is built to impress on every level. From durability to design, from aesthetics to attention to detail, this phone is redefining what consumers can expect from a mid-range smartphone. And it's that blend of affordability and excellence that truly makes it special. So if you're in a market for a phone that looks stunning, feels premium, performs reliably, and doesn't break the bank, then the Turbo 4 Pro deserves a serious look. And that's why it's generating so much buzz across tech communities, because it's rare to see this kind of refinement at this price point. And as the competition heats up in 2025, Xiaomi's move with the Turbo 4 Pro sends a clear message. It's no longer enough to just be good for the price. The new standard is flagship level, regardless of price. And that shift is exactly what makes this phone such a game changer. So if you're as excited as we are about how the smartphone world is evolving, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of our deep dives into the latest devices and tech breakthroughs. Because here on TechVerse, we break down the best of tech in ways that are clear, exciting, and always one step ahead. Stay tuned.